he actually took it.
Brandon! We're on video. Brandon! Brandon! Hi! This is us, the retards.
You know what? That kid actually listened to me when I said pull up his pants. He went like this and pulled up his pants after I called him a bag.
Hi, Dylan! Hi!